YouTube, welcome to Trade with Makros channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through, guys, my 8 years of trading journey, trading the financial market. And to be honest, guys, the journey changed me completely. Not just financially, but also mentally. I started the same way every trader starts, watching YouTube videos. I remember that day, my first video ever was about volume profile, but the thing is, I was jumping from strategy to strategy, thinking that the next strategy or indicator will change my life. And for years, I kept repeating the same cycle again and again. I can have simply a good week, confidence goes up. Just one bad day, everything blows. One bad day, I enter on what we call the tilt mode. You are not the same person anymore. You just take in random trades. You stop trading your strategy. You trade what I called like just candle by candle. You see the candle goes up, you see the candle goes down, you sell, basically tilting. I blew everything. Guys, when I say everything, I mean everything. I have done it multiple of times. The emotional cycle, guys, is something not a lot of traders talk about. I get sometimes some questions on Instagram how to fix that. But let's be honest, guys, it's not like you're gonna take a pill and the next day you will not overtrade or you will not tilt. It's just a decision you need to make. And that's what I did. So in trading, guys, and I can say it like this, the market will slap you in the face, you repeat the same mistake, will slap you again in the face, you repeat the same mistake until you do it the right way. In my opinion, there is two types of traders. The first trader make a mistake, next day will never repeat it again. The second trader, for example, was me. I did the mistake, I do it again, I keep doing it again and again. Because trading, guys, is not just the technicals. Trading exposes who you are. To be honest, guys, as humans, we have a level of greed. We are all greedy. So if you trade for a couple of months or even years, you know what I mean. So back then, I traded multiple of strategies, multiple of systems. I joined groups from the US, I joined group from England. Maybe if you trade for years, you will know Astro FX. I studied a lot of concepts. Even I traded ICT for a period of time. But eventually, I realized something important. Most traders are overloaded with information. Too many indicators, too many options, too many entries, too many models. But the biggest shift that happened to me is when I realized that less is more. That single belief changed my trading. Instead of trying to catch every move, calling the bottoms, calling the tops, I start to focus just on one model, one entry. If I am in a drawdown, I don't want to get back to break even in one day. Take it small, step by step. I changed a lot of beliefs that I didn't have before. That's where the consistency show up. I remember late 2020, I start using order flow, but back then, not every trader used the footprint chart. I remember I was using cluster delta. I think it was $7 a month, and I became obsessed with what's happening inside the candles, the logic behind this movement. Not just candles goes up, goes down, just memorizing patterns, copy paste, because it didn't make much sense to me. Not just candles moving up, moving down, but more like you see the buyers, you see the aggression, you see the passive sellers. That made a lot of sense to see the logic behind the move. So even though if I lose, that's what I like. I want to know why I lost. But if I memorize just patterns, just copy paste, didn't make sense at that time. Even now, of course, much sense. And actually, it's nice lately to see traders start using order flow, changing their beliefs, because for a long time I felt like it's something that was underrated. And then I learned something also very important. You can give the same system, same strategy to two traders or more, but they will get different results. Some traders will make money, some traders will make big money, some traders will lose or break even. Why? Because the execution, guys, matter the most. And that's when I started building the MAK system. No, I didn't copy it from anyone else. It just Makros that create that system from years and years. So basically it's a way just to read the price without no indicator, add in order flow for extra confirmations. You don't need to trade like everyone else. You need a system that matches you, because trading is personal. Some traders like to scalp, some traders like to day trade, some traders like to swing trade. So it's very important to learn and to study a system, but you need to add your touch, your execution, what you like more. For me, I love precision. I love the Nasdaq NQ. That's where I felt comfortable. Trust me guys, this journey was not easy. Multiple times I wanted to quit. Moments I doubted myself. Moments where I questioned if is it possible to be profitable, especially after giving back profits after profit. Like I said before, less is more. And that's the funny part about trading. Now I like more to trade just the New York Open, 1 hour a day, done. 2 or 3 trade, done. The less emotional you become, the better your performance gets. And that's what this channel going to be about. So no flexing, just real education, sharing the journey, sharing the trades recap, the MAK system, concepts about order flow, wins and losses, because I know how hard this journey is. If you are serious about your trading, I think this channel will help you a lot. Welcome again to Trade with Makros channel. Also, I will leave the free Discord link below to join the free community, sharing ideas, having a good community with a good energy. That's what matters the most, and that's the goal. This is only the beginning. See you soon. Thank you.